So the processes function is used to redirect reports or any information to a different page. So if users want to submit reports to QC, then that should be so basically they should create a process to submit by selecting the same entity. Now I'd like to give an example here. So say if users want to submit report from a page called the report summary page to the QC page. So say if there's a report or in the report summary page which they want to transfer to the QC page, then following is the process. I'll just define the process here. Firstly, what you do is you need to create, obviously click on the processes menu first, and then click on the plus sign on the left, and once you do that, it'll bring up a blank page with the name and the entity. But for now, I'm using a process I've already created just to make things easier. So basically, you give the name of the process here in the name section, and you select an entity here from this drop down where I've selected report. Now, after you do that, now so when you actually select the entity as reports, you'll see all these fields that'll show up on the screen. Now, in this case, what you'll do is you check on the report status section here, right here on this checkbox, and enter the value as QC review. So basically, the action here is that you want to submit the report to QC for a QC review, right? So you need to change the status to QC review, so which you define right here. Once that is done, now go to the Pages tab, right? So obviously after you do this, absolutely, definitely click Save. This is already saved, so I'll straight away go on to the Pages tab, and then click on the particular page from where you want to submit reports to QC, which in this case is, let me just find it. Right. Sorry about this, just finding the page. Right. So you've now gone to the Pages tab and clicked on the particular page from where you want to submit the reports to QC. Now here we've taken an example, say the RPF add edit form, which I've just selected right here. And now what you do is you scroll down and you go onto the Submit to QC button that we've created just now, that we've created for this page. And now what you do is you double click on this, right? And now select the name that was created as the process from the default value drop down, which is this, because this was the process we created, which actually sits in this drop down. And once that is done, now just click on cross and then click Save. This is how you create processes.